There would be a few people who cannot communicate openly about what they are feeling, what they want to tell you. It's all a secret. They've never been able to communicate that. Now, in today's reading, we'll find out exactly that. Think of that specific person and I will tell you exactly what they wish they could tell you. Hari Om Tat Sat. This is the Rider-Waite deck that you're seeing here. Take a hard look at this card because it's going to tell you what they secretly wish they could tell you. Okay, now they are secretly thinking, oh, I wish I could tell her or him this, exactly this. So I will try and interpret what these cards have in store for you. Take some time, breathe in, breathe out, because it is a deck where you won't see any specific messages typed on the card, right? So I've just smeared the entire deck with beautiful smudge that we had, and it's of lavender. And I love the lavender colored flowers and the smell. It's all giving me very nice vibes. So what they secretly wish they could communicate to you. Okay, so here we can interpret this based on this card. 6 of Pentacles, where somebody is very giving. This person wants to give you a lot of wealth, riches, the luxury. This person wants to bring you a lot of gifts. Okay, and he or she is very helpful to people, selfless, very grateful. They are fair and just, as you can see here. So this person wants to communicate that I'm going to be very fair and just to your heart. I will give you all the gifts that you ever want. And I also will help people, and I've gained some good karma. So please accept me. This person is somewhere else. Maybe you're very single at the moment, and he or she is also single, hoping to meet their soulmate. So they are also manifesting you. You're also manifesting them. Something like that. Number 6, again, it's all about love. 6 is the number of Venus, love, and abundance, prosperity. That is also there. So he or she wants you to know that they are very prosperous and they want to make you a part of their prosperity. They don't want to be alone. They want you. They want you to enjoy the richness they have. They want to share their wealth with you. That's amazing. That's amazing. I'm really happy with how they think already. They want to share and they want to be very giving. Okay? And who knows, you both might help the underprivileged people together. Now, Page of Swords, they really want to tell you that if you are with them, it's victory by that person's side. There's victory. They're on top of the clouds. They feel like they've won the world when you're around. That is what this person wants to communicate to you. Look at that. Clouds, the birds, the trees, and the wind against the hair. All of this indicates that sweet taste of success. So this person clearly wants you to know that you're their success. If you are theirs, then it's success for them. Just having you is success because they already have a lot in life. There's no career-related issue or any issue they have. Their family is well off. They are wealthy. This person's mother, father, all of them are just hoping for him or her to get married. But they want you. They have their eyes on you. They're everywhere around you, but you are failing to see the signs also. Could be you're trying to ignore the signs because you feel, oh, they have so much richness. Will it ever suit me? Should I even be here? Do I deserve this? All of these are your thoughts at the moment. That's what I can sense. Wow, the moment they met you, their sleepless nights were over. They are now rest assured that they will definitely be persuasive about you. This new love is coming towards you and is going to sweep you off your feet, because this man or woman, whoever it is, they're well groomed. They have their emotional healing all done. They are going to give you the best life. If you pick this person, whoever is coming next, we'll also find out when they will come in the reading itself. I can sense that it's going to take about 6 months to 8 months that this person will just go like a they say, right, suddenly there's a wind blowing and then your whole life changes like that. There is some transformation happening. And again, see, this card says that the difficulties are ending. Difficulties are completely ending. This person is really into all the good habits now. They did have addictions. They want to tell you that their sadness is ending. Even if they were having any struggles, financial issues, or maybe they were going through a process of divorce and then now they are divorced and ready for new love. That is what they're trying to communicate, that I wish you could know how everything's changing the moment you have come to my life, the moment I see you. But there is something forbidden about it, either status or the religion, caste, something changes for you. The moment you both are united or together, there's something which will change. So this person is telling you, it's okay. I'm ready for the change. My house is ready for you to come and change. The Knight of Cups card here, which is fallen, which also symbolizes emotions of this person. He or she is crazy about you. They have a bonding with horse, or they own a horse. Or this could be a Prince Charming or princess who's coming your way. And she or he wants you to know the emotional health also is going to be amazing. Whenever you both are in union, you meet, this person wants to convey that they feel more than friendship. If it's still in talking stage, I somehow feel you are both in talking stage now and you can't physically meet or very scared to meet. This could also mean arranged marriage and you're seeing options, or he or she is also seeing options, but they want only you, their parents. So this is what they feel. It's like a past life connection. There is some connection they feel. And you might have a special bond with his family also. In the future, that is the blessing. So they want you to be very happy with their family. They want you to look after their entire territory or castle or house. They want to give it to you. It's like past life. They know you from somewhere and they trust you with their entire kingdom, ready to offer everything to you. As you can see, there are kids also involved. Again, number 6 here, affirming that 6 is the path of Venus. And this is a very divine and blessed connection, although it is going to take a while and slow and steady wins the race. So he or she is going to take their time to trust you and fully convey about themselves. So since they are so rich and they have this kingdom, they want to know slowly if you are the one for them. So they secretly want you to know that, oh, I'm this prince, or, oh, I am so, with all the businesses that I have, and you don't even know how much I can afford, plenty things. They're not revealing their whole self to you because they are scared if you will pick them for their money, or will you judge them, or will you just run away because that things don't suit you, something like that. So they are also very apprehensive about this. That is what he or she wants you to know. Now, King, mostly I sense masculine energy only. Okay, so King of Swords, this also I see that victory. Few of them are a little manipulative because, see, they are not telling you the whole truth about themselves yet. So there is some time before you know fully about this person. That is also something they are like, should I tell you everything or not? This is something they're contemplating. Should I tell you? Should I not tell you? Should I just tell everything with confidence and then whatever happens, let me see? Or should I just hold back and see how, test the waters and then convey things to you? So they don't know if they want to lose the friendship also. Oh, this is a card. See, and they trust you. They had trust issues. With this being reverse, the card is saying They trust you. They have a feeling that they can trust you. They know you from somewhere. That is how they feel about you. So secretly, they wish they could convey that they completely trust you. There's no issue with you at all. Completely smitten by you. That is also what I can see. But they did have issues in their past. So many cards have fallen. So I won't pick any. Let's see. We'll just wait for one card which is total resonance with your energy. Let's see. Give me one card, please. Okay. So as you can see here, Two of Swords in reverse as well. So they want you to know that there was something trustworthy. People were not around them. There were caution, warnings, all of it in their business. Since this person is very well off, obviously there will be a lot of things they have to handle, legal issue, court issue, but this person is not telling you everything. That is also what I can see. They're holding back on telling you everything and anything. Okay, so universe is listening. So, okay, 2 cards here. Wow, they were in toxic relationship before. This person is a divorced person, and the toxicity within them is all gone. Now they really want to manifest the good things, and you have come as a ray of hope, I can feel. They don't believe in manifestation or tarot card reading or all of these things. A little different from who you are or what you are. Different background. Obviously, you struggled a lot with money. You were reckless or something. That's also what I can see who is watching here. Next, let me pick one last card to see what is that they secretly wish they could have told you. Okay, the Hanged Man in reverse. So this could be a spiritual connection, or you will both grow spiritually with each other. There's a aura. So this person's house is very spiritual with a lot of puja, religious events happening. But this person doesn't believe in any of it. This person is like, I believe in work and karma. That's it. I don't believe in all of these things. They don't believe in ritualistic things like, okay, take only so much turmeric and apply here only. They are very, what I can say, liberated. They question everything. If you tell them, they will understand. So they want you to know this because maybe you're very spiritual, you're into tarot card reading, you believe in every energy you see and all of that. But they want to tell you, listen, I don't believe any of this. Will you accept me the way I am? Will you help me grow spiritually? So these are the things that I saw, and I hope you enjoyed this reading. It was very interesting, and you have attracted a very wealthy, rich, healthy, very mature soul, I would say. So all the very best. Claim this energy. Thank you. Namaste.